ladies, when you look in the mirror to do your makeup, I know, here's what you do, because this is what I do. You make sure your brows are perfect and your eyes are perfect and your lips are perfect. Well, guess what? Everything's not perfect. We're just not born that way. But you know what? Permanent makeup might help a little bit. I'm at Michele Q Permanent Makeup, formerly Sally Hayes. Yes, she has taken over for Sally Hayes Permanent Makeup. And you know, I think us women need to be a little bit easier on ourselves, Michele. Everything is not symmetrical on our face, is it?
No, we're not born symmetrical. So after many years working with plastic surgeons, you learn that the right and the left side of your face do not mimic each other. As much as we want to have our same brow on the left as our same brow on the right, or our same corner of our eye on the right or left, lips are not the same either.
It's just not going to happen. Okay, so when someone comes in to see you, they want permanent makeup done on their eyebrows. What is your take on that? What is your philosophy? Are you going to try and make them symmetrical?
You know, it's one of those things where I can't promise them I can make them perfect, but I can try my best to try to even them up and give them that illusion. So some women here, her brow actually sits a little bit lower on this side. Her tissue actually falls onto her brow bone more. This side here, it's a little bit higher. Again, that's just the imperfection of each individual.
Right, that's what makes us unique. So you can improve upon it, but your goal is to not make them perfectly even on both
and
sides.
even after tattooing, it still is not going to be perfect because I'm still dealing with the issue of her tissue that sits farther down on her brow.
All right, let's talk about women who come in and see you. Everybody's got a different scenario. Everybody has a different story. I want to talk about Yolanda when she came in to see you. Take a look at this. Is when she was sitting in your chair. She was drawing on her eyebrows?
She was drawing them on. She was struggling because she thought she was drawing them on, and I think she had mentioned to me that every day they were in a different position or a different shape because she couldn't quite see to draw them on as well.
So when you took off her drawn on brows, look what you have. There was nothing there.
Nothing there. I basically had a blank canvas.
Wow. Did they just not grow back, or you don't know?
I don't know if she just overplucked as a young teenager. So she just did not have any hair. She didn't really have a base for me to start from.
Okay, so you had to start from scratch. That's where the all-important consultation comes in. You draw brows on first.
Yes.
Right?
I'm going to always show you how I'm going to apply.
Okay, okay. So I want to take a look at Yolanda after, and this is right after the first application. It's always a little red, right, at first, and maybe even a little darker than normal, but that's normal.
That's normal. The pigment color is always going to be bolder right after, and they're always a little bit red just after the lidocaine itself and then the treatment.
Yeah, so you numb people up, right?
Oh, yes.
Yeah. That's really important.
I would be cruel if I didn't numb.
So you're getting numb, and then about how long does it take?
For brand new brows, if I'm drawing them on, I would say about 30 to 45 minutes, just because I'm educating a little bit more and drawing them on. So.
Right. So I know when Sally was here, you were updating Sally's brows. How often do you have to update brows?
So that just depends on the color. So fair-skinned females and lighter colors fade faster than the darker. So it can be anywhere from a year, or you can actually get 3 to 5 out of the darker colors. So you may just need touch-ups as you go.
Yeah, and you also do eyeliner.
Yes.
Okay, are your eyes lined? They look gorgeous.
Sally Hayes has done my entire face.
And your lips too.
Yes.
All right, but here's the deal. If you've been to Sally Hayes in the last 30 years and you're ready for a touch-up, look, you have the beautiful Michele Q who's ready to do it for you. And if you're ready to try something new, she has a special offer for you. If you would like to book lips, eyes, and brows, you're going to save $200. Michele Q Permanent Makeup, formerly Sally Hayes, is located inside Scottsdale Plastics at 9377 East Bell Road, Suite 367 in Scottsdale. 480-951-0539. You can book a consultation or see photos. Learn more at permanentmakeup.com.